Welcome back. Today we will learn about the user-defined functions. The user-defined functions or the user-defined block of code to perform some specific task. The major advantage of the function is its reusability and modularity. They are different from the built-in library functions as they do not require header file inclusion. Okay. So in order to add two numbers, we define a function called add. So this is the function, user-defined function. The functions have three different components. The function declaration or prototype. Second one is the function definition. Third one is the function call. The declaration of the function with its name, list of arguments, and return type is called as the function prototype. So it is just to inform the compiler that there exists a user-defined function inside our program. And this is the general syntax: the return type, function name, and the list of arguments with its data type. Then the function definition. The block of code that performs a specific task is called as the function definition. So when the function is called, the control transfers to the definition part. This is the syntax. Here, the actual block of code to be executed is written here. The control is transferred to the function definition in order to perform the task. And this is written inside the main function. And this is the syntax. We are just passing the arguments into the function, which is written inside the main function. And the return keyword is used to return the value from a function. And a function can only return a single value, and it is optional too. So let me explain the functions with an example. Hash include stdio.h. So this is the function. Sum is the function name. I'm declaring it there. Here comes the main function. In order to understand, I'm just writing main function begins. Okay. Now I'm making the function call. Here, after the control gets into the function definition, it executes the code there and again returns back to the main function. So in order to understand that, I'm writing it as main function ends here. Okay. Let me give a suggestion. Here comes the function definition. A comma B. I'm getting the user input for A and for B. Okay. Before that, let me write a enter two values. Here I'm going to print the answer /n Excel. Okay. comma a plus b. Okay, let me save the code as C function example ex dot c. Okay, let me execute it. ECC okay, function ex dot c is o function e. So this is the executable code. Okay. So the firstly, the control is in the main function. So the printf is executed, the main function begins. Then after that, we had a function call. So the function call, the control has got shifted into the function. And there it is asking for two values. I'm giving 3 and 4. So after executing, the answer is printed as 7, and again the control gets back to the main function and the printf is executed there. The main function ends here. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the concepts of user-defined functions. So meet you all in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.